What is up, guys? This is the FNH tutorial here, and today I am back with another brand new product review. And today I'm going to be reviewing the Jellycone wireless RF stereo headphones. And basically what that is, it's a wireless headphones for your TV. Okay, so if you guys haven't heard of it, basically what you can do with it is you can listen to your TV through your headphones wirelessly. Okay, so for example, if someone's sleeping in a living room or whatever in your bedroom and you don't want to disturb them but you want to watch TV, you can simply use this and it will work great. Okay, so let me just go right ahead and open it. Okay, so it's simple packaging. Alright, so you can see this is the packaging. These are the headphones, that's the receiver you connect to the TV, and there are some wires in the back. Okay, so here is so basically this is the wire that connects from the TV to the receiver. Right, it's really simple. The setup is really simple. You don't really even need to read the manual, but if you guys want, I'll probably make another video on how to set it up. Okay, it's fairly simple. You can do it in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so basically this connects to connect to the TV, and over here it's a female port jack which you connect the double-ended aux cable. One port goes here and the other end goes in here. Okay, so you have that set up, and now you need this for the power. You can either put batteries in it, which I don't really recommend, or you can use this micro, or I believe it's a mini USB, it's an older one. You can use that, connect it here and run it through like that. Okay, and this runs on USB, so it doesn't come with an adapter, so you might need an adapter if you only have an outlet nearby, right? So yeah, you might want to check that. That's why I guess they give the battery option. Okay, and lastly, this is, I believe, for the headphones. You can either make it wired or wireless. Okay, so let me just take them out. So I would say the quality of the headphone is not too bad, right? But it's not great either, but it gets the job done. Okay, so over here is, you can open this and insert 2 AA batteries to make it wireless. Right, let me close that back there, and then here's the wired option. You can put the wired over here, the wire over there, and then here basically you turn it off and on. Right, and here you can set the volume up or down. And also, not only that, if you're not listening to TV, you can also listen to this as radio FM, right? FM radio. So you can see over here, I don't know if it shows. Let me try to focus in over here. So you can see it's off, and then you still can't really see it, but this one says FM, and then all the way on the left says TV. Okay, so basically it has these 3 options, and then over here you can scan it, or for if you're on FM you can scan it, or otherwise you can increase or lower the volume. So one thing you want to know, another thing is, when you have this connected to the TV, right, when you have it connected to the TV, it will still play sound on the TV as well as the headphones. So what you want to do is basically set the TV to mute, and then the volume will still come through this, right? And then over here you can set the volume from here. Okay, so that's one thing. So the TV volume does not affect the volume of this. So the TV can be on the loudest, this will still have the same amount of volume. Okay, that's just one thing you guys should keep in mind. Okay, in terms of quality, I've tried this, right, and I think it's pretty good. It gets the job done, and it's really good for what it's made for. Okay, I got it on Amazon for around $45, right? Maybe slightly more, but it's definitely less than $50, right? If you guys are interested, you definitely should check it out. It's a really good product, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.